Happy Saturday, everybody. We come to check on a job over in Shearwater. Check this out. Come on over here. This is some good stuff here. My inspiration came from Virgin Gorda, the Bass, kind of the big rock formation. Got two big scuppers at the top. We're gonna have a lot of water coming over. Gonna have a seating bench. We got 5 lights. We've got a beach entry. And a very big hot tub. I love this. Come on over and check this out. Multiple massaging jets. I mean, this is gonna be a very, very beautiful job. Got a lake view. I mean, all the neighbors get to look at this beautiful rock formation. A lot more to come. We have a new shell-lock paver system coming in, which is cool on your feet. Very modern, but still is going to go well with the natural organic rock formation. So more to come. We're trying for about 5 to 6 weeks. Have this thing screened in, and guess what? Let's go swimming. We'll be going to the next one. You all have a blessed day. We'll see you soon. Take care.